What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your prince, you know what I'm saying? AKA MK, AKA Mlulegi, AKA the real Ambo Prince, back again with another reaction video, my friend. So yeah. A nigga moving mad these days. Yeah, I've got a lot of time in my hands, so I decided to use it, my friends. And yeah, since I told you all the last time, since I'm bored and y'all are bored too, let's be fun together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. This is your boy. Now sit back and relax, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy this video. We're about to go crazy, you know what I'm saying? We're about to go crazy. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, pause this video right now, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying, of what you'd like to see me react to on this channel, you know what I'm saying. Your voice matters on this channel, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, don't hesitate, comment down the comment section below on what you'd want to see me react to, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, without wasting much more of your freaking precious time, let's get into this video. Today I'm gonna be reacting to MDM sketch comedy. It's a video that was released, I think, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I don't know if I'm too late on this reaction, but I hope you're gonna enjoy this reaction, you know what I'm saying. So since your prince is reacting to it, you know what I'm saying. So yeah. So we're gonna be reacting to it. I wish. Yeah. So yeah, my friends, without wasting much more of your time, let's get into this video. But before we do get into this video, let's make sure we put our normal live face on, you know what I'm saying, because we know how Mthandeni be doing his stuff. On this video, I swear I'm not gonna laugh. If I laugh, you better smack me on the comment section, you know what I'm saying. So yeah. So yeah, let's get into this video. Let me put on my straight try not to laugh face, you know what I'm saying. I think I'm ready. I don't know about you guys, but I feel ready. Let's get into this video. Welcome to the ghetto. This nigga was short, but I'm surprised to see that. It's my first time seeing that actually. This nigga ain't bleeding.
So, rest in peace, dog.
Exactly what I would do. This is exactly what I would do. Oh, if ever first, can tell a quick story about myself. If usenkingeni and unami, then you get stuck or something, I'ma leave your ass. That's my nature. Kumele ngibe safe first, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, if we situation enzima and unenkinga, like you say I must leave you, I'm gonna leave you. No hesitations, no nothing. Don't judge me, because I know y'all would do the same thing too. Let's get back to the video. Not be long gone.
Hey, I don't know if you boy. Ngiyazi bethi angibhemi kodwa angifuni ukuze ngiyiphe ngikaze ngibhemi. Ngiyacela boy.
You said a nigga would go.
So, yazana zami ayisebenzi ngiyasola ngidubuleke emgogodleni.
Yeah. Why did you tell the nigga to leave? Who was something about?
Yaphethe lento. Niphe manjalo. Ngiyabonga kodwa mngana.
Sure. Hey.
Happy. Okugcina ngiphe ngiyacela. Ngicela mfethu. Ngicela ungisize mfethu.
What now?
Mfethu. Ngicela ukhiphe ifoni yami mfethu la.
Sure, boy.
Ungidilithele i-browser history. Bese udelete le ithombe zikaNomzamo Mbatha. Angifuni uMakaboy abone mfethu. Ngiyacela. Ngakho Nomzamo Mbatha.
Sure.
B.
I'd be pissed. I would be pissed.
Mr. Sharp.
Ngicela mfethu. Lapho isochama. And angifuni ekhaya bafike ngichamele mfethu ngiyacela ungisize. Bese ngizama ngithi ayisasebenzi. Ngicela ungichamise mfethu. Ngiyacela mfethu angifuni.
Hell no. Hell to the no. Hell to the motherfucking no. I'm not gonna touch your dick, nigga. Hell no. We can be best friends for years. I mean for centuries, but I ain't touching your dick. Never, nigga. I mean gay. That's gay as fuck. It's Kamele, bro. It's Kamele because I'm leaving you. Yeah, I'm leaving you behind. Sorry. I love my friends, but I ain't gonna touch your dick, man, nigga. Never.
Boy mfethu angifice bese ngimanzi umchamo. Ngihire kumfana wami. Angifuna cha ngifuna bonke bangidubula wachama. Ngiyacela.
Bangidubula wachama. Hell no, hell no, hell no.
Come on, clean.
Slow play, dude. Play.
With boy.
Sure. So, I'm going to bag of it myself there.
This nigga getting fucked.
Ngicela mfethu yazi. Ngicela ungibhekise ngaphethe ukuthi ayiphashile.
Yeah. So what you funny?
Mfethu ngithi umngane mfethu ufuna ngibe fast. Ufuna ngihambe mfethu.
Die, nigga, die. Die, bro.
So okay.
So sorry mfethu. Yeah, shothi ekseni angicubanga.
I'd kill this nigga myself with my two bare hands. I'd kill this nigga. After what he just did on my face, I'd kill him. He'd be gone. Bye bye. Toodles. Gone.
Ngicela mfethu ukhiphe izamba mfethu la.
Uzoyenzani samba kimi lapha? Uzoyenzani samba?
Mfethu uqobo.
It's like a nigga's a ghost.
Mfethu ekhaya bafike ngifile mfethu uphashizini no boy mfethu azi ukuthi babonke bamdubulo wafe ephashizini mfethu ngiyacela mfethu.
Msophethu, uzokahle mfethu, awukahle mfethu. Awukahle ngendaba yabo, ibhoyi yona ingane yakho manje. Usimakushiya ngebhomu lapha manje.
Wayeka ingane yami. Wayeka ingane yami.
Die, nigga, die. Ekugcineni. Why didn't you tell me that? Man. Yeah. Yeah, Bafetsu. Yeah. I think we've come to the end of this video. I hope you really much enjoyed my energy. I really much enjoyed your energy. You know what I'm saying? Let reciprocate on the positive vibes on this channel, on my channel, Bafetsu. I give you the love, you give me the love back, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Going back to the video, I really much enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it again. If I get some quality time, I'm gonna watch it again. Maybe men go to Wednesday video, I'm gonna watch it again. You never know. Yeah. They never disappoint. As I told you guys before, this nigga never disappoint. Mtandeni is the best when it comes to comedy. I really much enjoy watching his videos, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. It's been your boy. Have a good day. And hey, enjoy your life. Peace.